Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming access. Log into your router or the device you will change. Know why? Router-level DNS applies to every device while per device keeps router settings intact. Once logged in, locate WAN or DNS settings. They are commonly under network or internet. Next, select Adguard DNS addresses. Use 94, 140, 14, 14 and 94, 140, 15. 15 for IP4. Make sure to copy existing settings somewhere. That way you can revert if needed, and now you're ready to enter the new. You now perform the detailed change. In the router's WAN or DHCP page, paste Adguard primary and secondary DNS into their respective fields. If your device uses IP6, include the IP6 Adguard addresses. Then save the settings. Some routers apply instantly, others require a restart. Don't reboot immediately until you flush caches. On your computer or phone, clear the DNS cache and renew DHCP so they request the new DNS. Doing this ensures the network resolves through Adguard instead of the old provider. You finish by verifying the change. Run a quick domain lookup and confirm the IP responses show Adguard servers. Once done, test web browsing and any apps that rely on DNS. If something breaks, try one key troubleshooting step. Revert to the saved DNS values and reboot the router. This often isolates configuration mistakes. Make sure no VPN, ISP DNS hijacking, or firewall rule is forcing different DNS. If problems persist, recheck each device's DNS to ensure none are overriding the router.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.